Hi, this is Lenovo laptop, Lenovo models B590. Laptop is completely dead. It doesn't work with battery. Even if I connect the charging adapter, it doesn't work. Also, there is no any light here, so it's completely dead. We will open the laptop and we'll try to fix it. We remove the screen connector, and this is power button connector. This is light monitor. Now, as you see, it's look like motherboard issue. We will test here, as we explained before. This is charging board, volt coming from this line to this MOSFET. This MOSFET will control voltage between supply voltage between IC adapter and battery. So now we check this MOSFET. As you see, there is the first MOSFET short. Second MOSFET, there is no short. This line coming from here is 19 volt. 19 volt. So we check here this capacitor. These two MOSFET control battery charging. This circuit supply from here, from 19 volt also. So we need to check where is the short. Short only in the first MOSFET. Okay, we check the circuit here from the 19 volt. Here street short. So I will remove this capacitor and we'll check, maybe the short is gone. Now I will remove this capacitor. I will remove this capacitor and I will check, maybe the short will go on. خلي استعمل هيت جان. Now I will remove this capacitor in order to check short will go on or not.
Daddy,
Now I remove this capacitor. I will check the shorts is gone or not on the short, still here. So I will go to the MOSFET. I will remove this MOSFET to check short will go on or not. Now I will test the MOSFET. As you see, MOSFET is short, completely short. So I will change it and I will be back. Now you can see this MOSFET. PU3801. You can see I show you in the schematic diagram which circuit this MOSFET. As you see from the schematic diagram, this PU3801, the voltage coming from AC adapter coming to this MOSFET, and from this MOSFET coming to laptop. So this MOSFET is necessary for voltage. If any short in this MOSFET, laptop will be dead. Now we change this MOSFET as I show you on the schematic diagram. This MOSFET connect with the AC adapter, 19 volt coming from this line to this MOSFET, from this point to this MOSFET, and etc. Now we will check if it's work or not. Now after we change this MOSFET, we find short still there. Now if we check between the ground and this MOSFET, there is short from the second MOSFET. So we check this MOSFET. This MOSFET okay, and this MOSFET also okay, this MOSFET okay. So what we'll do, I will inject volt inside motherboard from this line, and I will see which parts will be coming hot. Papa, the second. Now we put the minus to the ground of laptop here. Here you can see we put the ground. And we will connect a plus to output of MOSFET. Now it's taking about 3 amps. I will check which part will be hot. Will be from the side. This capacitor here coming too much hot. This one. So I will check it. My physical eye. This capacitor stuck like short. I will remove it and I will check if the short is gone. Now after I remove this capacitor, I check here, it's short, and I check the circuit whilst reading short. The short is gone. So the problem was with this capacitor, small capacitor. Let's make short. Now after we disassemble our laptop, we will make the final test. Now as you see, it's work okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.